Hello, good afternoon. We are here celebrating our top off at Ivory 214. So I'm actually standing on the second floor of the parking garage overlooking Biscayne Boulevard, and we're excited. We're having a celebration here. The structure came out completely beautiful. Everything from the floors to the beams to all the rough electrical work, and just everything that's going into this building is absolutely amazing. The whole construction team is behind us. They did a wonderful job here, and they're celebrating the top off of this building. We do have several units that are still left here, but again, we're just excited to hit this milestone. We're about 6 months away from our TCO, temporary certificate of occupancy, so this building will be opening very, very soon here. Again, we are 2 blocks north of the Aventura Hospital, and pretty much here, what you see here inside of this blue fence in there, that is our future project, which is 1212 Aventura. So we're definitely excited about that. We're excited about everything that's happening here at Aventura Medical District, and I'm just honored and pleased to bring you the information that you need to share with your clients, or if you're a direct buyer to know what's happening in this area. So again, we're celebrating the top off at Ivory 214. If you want more information regarding this project, you can go ahead and contact me directly. My website is maxcruzrealtor.com, or you can call me direct at 786-592-8102. So again, we're celebrating here. The music is behind us. I'm gonna go grab something to eat, and we're gonna bring you another full video showing you everything that's happening at this top off celebration.